officer over here, please?
Ma'am?
Yes. Can I get a white officer over here? All right, homeboy. What's going on? Well, I haven't drank all that yet. I was going to.
It's just after 8 p.m. at a hotel in Barrow County, Georgia, where one guest is about to earn herself an early checkout.
What's going on? What's the deal?
So basically, she came down screaming, yelling. What the manager told me, she came down screaming, yelling that she was being. And so happily, a customer had just pulled in and was walking in to get a room. She started pointing at him. Yeah, he just. And then she went back up to her room at 217.
Have you made contact with her yet?
Not yet.
You heard that right. Police said a woman who had been dropped off at the hotel by officers earlier was causing a scene, even accusing a man who had just arrived of assaulting her. Officers head inside to confront the suspect.
But I was going to wait for you to get here first.
So she called 911.
She called 911.
She drunk or crazy?
Yeah, they think she's drunk right now.
So she was down there causing a disturbance.
Yeah, she caused a disturbance and then went back up to her room and I guess called us and then hung up. Wine, please. Hello.
Hey,
Who's called?
did you call 911?
No, I did not.
Yeah.
No, I called 911 on the person that was breaking in my place.
Breaking into your place?
Yeah, not me.
Is there anybody here with you?
No, it's just my aunt on the phone.
Can I talk to her?
Yeah.
What's her name? Hey, Miss. This is Sergeant Garber. How are you?
All right. What's your name, ma'am?
Amy Baxter?
Say it again.
Amy Baxter?
Amy Baxter?
Yes.
Okay.
Police identify the woman seen here as 32-year-old Amy Baxter, who allegedly called 911 multiple times, claiming to have been attacked, but repeatedly ended the call when asked for information, according to an arrest report. But it wasn't long until police tracked her down.
You okay today? So give me a rundown of what all happened.
So somebody came into this room.
Okay. I'm listening.
I don't want to. Alright, so somebody came into this room, and
Okay.
I was like, alright, whatever. I got some tequila in here.
Okay. How much have you had to drink tonight? If you could guess.
Oh, I barely even opened it.
You barely even open it? Okay.
Yeah, it's over there.
All right. And you say you're the only one in here?
Yeah.
Okay. How long you been in this room?
Since yesterday.
Since yesterday?
I don't know why am I being investigated?
No, we're asking questions. You called us, right? So we have to do our job and ask questions.
He's the one that came in here.
Okay, give me a description. I'm trying to get a rundown of what all happened.
He
how
was
this
probably
occurred.
like 6 foot, probably like 6'5", right?
Okay, 6'5".
I can't describe him because, you are the way you are, and I am.
I'm the way I what? I'm not understanding.
I can't describe him.
How can't you describe him? Just describe him.
I can't be like he's white.
Yes, you can. That's called describing somebody that attacked you.
Okay. Well, he was of color.
Okay.
He was a taller dude.
Okay. When you say he was of color, what are you saying? Is he okay? There's race. So is it white, black, Hispanic? Don't touch me, ma'am. Is it white, black, Hispanic?
I'm not.
I'm asking questions.
I don't know if I don't know what the proper terms are.
You don't know whether somebody is white, black,
He was a little
Asian.
bit darker than me, okay?
Okay.
But he came into my room,
This is an old one.
started drinking my dang tequila.
So he drunk your tequila.
Yes.
Okay. So you ran into your house, drunk your tequila.
I also saw him earlier today.
Amy struggles through some, let's just say, reservations while describing the suspect before claiming the mystery man allegedly broke into her hotel room and drank her tequila.
You saw him earlier today.
Yes.
And when was that?
In the elevator.
You saw him in the elevator.
Yes.
Okay. Did he have, what color was his hair?
The color was his hair. It was just dark.
It was dark.
Like,
Right.
you're like picking. No, you're crying. You're crying. I don't like it.
I'm crying when you said that somebody tried to
Okay,
harm you.
can I get a white officer over here, please?
Ma'am,
Yes. Can I get a white officer over here?
you can talk to Officer Brooks.
No. I need a white officer.
She's asking for a white officer now. So, okay. All right, well, let me see what I can figure out, okay? All right. Yes, ma'am.
All right, so who are you talking to?
You're out?
Yeah.
All right, so what's going on?
This dude came into my room and like tried to almost rape me.
Who?
That I can't. I'm not saying it on y'all's body cams.
A person of color is what she told me.
Why won't you say it on the body camera?
I ain't saying. I ain't doing it.
So you went down to the lobby and talked to the clerk down there, and what did you tell the clerk?
I said somebody came to my room, and the same guy that I met in the freaking elevators earlier. I don't know what it was today or I don't know or yesterday. I don't know, but and he offered me shoes earlier today, and then now he is like trying to rape me.
How is he trying to you? What is he doing?
He came in here and he came in here and tried to.
What did he do? How did he get in the door?
Oh, he just opened the door.
The door wasn't locked.
No, the door was locked.
So how did he get in?
No, I did not unlock it at all. No. I thought it was an officer. I thought it was an officer. So I unlocked it because I thought it was an officer. And that's the only reason I ever unlocked this door.
So there's nobody in there right now, right?
No, you know, come on.
One officer heads inside Amy's hotel room when we get a look at a possible accomplice.
How much have you had to drink today?
Probably like 4 margaritas.
4 margaritas, where at?
The officer spots an open liquor bottle in Amy's hotel room that she quickly admits to partaking in.
Well, I haven't drank all that yet. I was going to. Well, I was going to get there.
Huh?
I was going to get there, but want to open the refrigerator and everything.
No, I was just looking where anybody could hide. Make sure nobody was in here.
Trying to open this.
I got it.
I was trying to open this while holding the door.
So what is our plan for tonight? What are we gonna do?
I'm just going to bed.
Here's your phone. Are we done calling 911?
Yeah. Hell, I do to stay away from this damn freaking
Well, if I knew who he was, I would.
217.
Huh?
137 down the street.
You don't know who he was?
I wasn't here. You can't give me no good description. You said you wouldn't tell us on Bodycam.
Yes, ma'am.
What do I have?
How old are you?
I'm 32, but I know what the f. So he's like this tall, but I can't say.
Yes, you can.
No, I can't say anything.
It would help our investigation if
No,
you did.
I can't, but I can't.
Let me go down and talk to him.
All right.
You know good and well. It's not.
I don't. That's why I'm asking questions, because I really don't know. You won't give me a description.
Where the f is this dude? Give me. Hold on. Let me get the card.
One officer heads downstairs to talk to witnesses. Let's see what they have to say.
So you were here when she came downstairs? What happened?
She didn't come downstairs. She started screaming and yelling from the second floor.
Oh, okay, from the
I
railing?
was helping that guy that she said he was trying to rape her.
Okay.
I was checking him in. And she said somebody was trying to rape her. She was screaming and yelling from the second floor. So I said, let me go upstairs and check. Because I asked, who's trying to rape you? She said, that white guy. So
She told you a white guy? She told us a black guy.
No, she said
Okay.
white guy. And the guy that was here is a white guy.
Yeah.
So, and then I said, let me go upstairs and check. And she said no, and she started running down here, and then she started slamming. She was doing crazy stuff. And
What? She was.
she grabbed the phone. She starts slamming the phone over here. She's
Everything around, and
Okay.
she was yelling and cursing.
So she was disrupting your business.
Yes.
Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, she was
Was she using profanity?
no, she did not use profanity, but she was just screaming and yelling.
Okay.
And saying that we didn't care, that we didn't call the cops, and she just grabbed the phone and called you guys.
Okay.
She wasn't going to call.
She threw the phone at me. And
She-
she was smashing it, and she was all over this place.
Okay. All right.
Witnesses say Amy allegedly blamed the attack on a, quote, white guy earlier, which doesn't exactly add up with her story now. Back upstairs, the 32-year-old is about to earn herself different accommodations for the night.
Just hang out here in your room. We want to make sure you're safe. No, it's just the manager and the shift lead.
What you? All right, homeboy. What's going on?
I don't know, you tell me. You still haven't given us a description yet.
You won't tell me?
I don't know, because you haven't given me a description,
I'm
man.
a damn nurse. I know how it goes.
Okay, if you're a nurse, then you should be able to identify people by their race.
Yeah, I know.
So, what is the race?
And I know how it goes.
So what's the race?
Identify.
What's the description of the person?
And now we identify people by their race. I'm about to call my daddy right now.
Help us to help you, ma'am. How can we help you if you don't give us a description of the person?
I'm about to call my mom, call my daddy. You know, my daddy's the one that watches the Fox News and the other ones. I don't know. Same thing. They ain't gonna answer it. Sitting here with no shoes. I'm sitting here with two officers who I'm trying to get my freaking dad on the phone with because they're freaking, oh my goodness. I need my dad on the phone, but he won't answer the phone.
Hey, ma'am. Miss Amy, lower your voice, please.
Because it's like a Fox News like civil pursuit like going on right now. It's like a black and white, and I don't want to say it's black and white because when I'm on camera. But I need my dad. I need my dad. I
Ma'am.
by some. I was almost by somebody of color, but I can't say anything.
Don't touch me, ma'am.
I can't. No, I'm not touching you.
Don't touch me.
I can't
Don't
touch
touch
him.
him.
I can't touch him, and I can't
Don't touch
cover
me,
his camera, and I can't say anything until.
8:30,
So she told me.
I
She came out here and was
I need
screaming
protection.
And she
I
takes
need my
off
dad.
the woman
I need my dad.
and she tells the
Yeah, my dad.
woman at the desk that, oh my God.
I know. Nobody
But now it's the person who cut the
Oh,
She was slamming the phone down, showing her butt.
no, I don't know. Hold on. Let me just be on phone. Just be on.
Public
See if I can record this, please.
All right. All right, Miss Amy. Just repeat. All right.
Hold on.
All right, Miss Amy. So, now you just stand up for me. Turn around.
I'm holding.
I got you. I need you. Just stand up. Turn around for me. Turn around for me.
No.
Stop.
They're arresting me.
Amy's happy hour quickly turns into lock-up o'clock as officers place her under arrest.
Why? Why?
Stop.
Why?
Dispatch, we're 1010.
Stop so I don't break your wrist.
What are we arresting me for? What are we arresting me
Point
for?
evaluation is going to be living room evaluation.
You got smaller wrists, so it needs to be still so it don't get broke.
Yeah, I know.
PD dispatch 10-3, 1033, 2027.
What am I getting arrested for?
Explain everything to you in just a moment, okay?
No, I didn't know right now. Because
Gonna check and make sure you don't have any weapons on you, any
I ain't got
paraphernalia.
nothing. I ain't got nothing but a freaking shirt.
26 dispatch, we're 1095.
Tell me! Call my lawyer!
Some shoes.
Yeah, where your shoes at?
I don't have no shoes. What are you arresting me for?
I'll explain everything to you when we get there.
No, damn! You tell me right now!
Here, we're gonna put your shoes on, okay?
No! What are you arresting me for?
Get the route.
Yes, I have the right to. What are
Shoe
you
on.
arresting me for?
Put your shoe on.
Oh my God! What are you arresting me for?
Go on, put your shoe on.
What are you arresting me for?
All right, let's walk.
Public intoxication.
You get public intoxication, disturbing the peace, okay?
Yeah, that'll get through the justice system faster than my DUI that has been a year and a half. So where do I have to go? Do I have to go to Barrow County? Do I have to go?
Yes,
They're
ma'am.
coming to
Okay, alright, whatever. I just need some water. Why?
Quit hollering.
Why?
Lower your voice.
But y'all didn't have to do this. Y'all did not have to do this at all.
Miss Amy.
You're disturbing everybody.
No,
Yes, you are.
no. Y'all could have just let me lay down. Like, seriously?
All right.
I don't know how to get in here.
Yep, just take your time. All right.
Y'all better take me to freaking Barrow.
Yes, ma'am.
Not freaking Gwinnett.
Going to Barrow County.
Call my mom.
Yes, ma'am.
Amy is secured in a patrol car and sent on her way to jail. But she's not done talking just yet.
Negative. She's crying, but still using profanity.
816, what's up, Still.
Why are y'all being so like weird about me? Don't do this to black people.
She advised me that we don't do this to black people, only white people.
Yeah, well.
At least she figured out the race for black instead of people of color like she was telling me earlier.
Go be ticketed, y'all. Shit. Y'all do this to black people.
Moments later, officers prepare to escort Amy inside. Let's see how that goes.
Yeah, she's in here.
She's in here?
Yeah.
So she's in the
No, she's not in the rock. She's calm. I calmed her down. Tried to, at least.
Oh, she's not in the rock.
All right, Miss Amy, we're going to listen to these officers. They have some information for you, okay?
No, no. I don't know how to get out without.
Alright, before we go inside, do you think you're gonna put me inside?
Amy was cited for public intoxication, disturbing the peace, and obstruction.
Figure.
She says she won't talk to black people.
No, she don't want to talk to a black person. Well, first it was people of color. It's like, I don't want to say what it really is. It's like, okay, what do you mean? Like their race? Right. No, I don't want to tell you. She kept trying to cover my camera
She's
up.
like,
It's like I'm a nurse. I was like, so you know what races are, right? So like white, black, Hispanic, Asian.
black people either?
Right.
Or how's that work?
Right. So I asked her dad, and then she's like, I don't want to talk to you. I want to talk to a white officer. She want to talk to the sergeant.
She doesn't want to talk to me. It's 2024. These people are still out there. Yeah.
And if I have to watch your cheeks hanging out again, I will call CPS.
She's putting me out there as like a sexual predator.
Karen. She came up, reached her hands, her cold hands went up my skirt, and I felt her hands up my skirt.
I was honestly thinking she was a minor, and she should probably keep it covered because of the kids that were.
Remember this?
I happen to work for the state, and if I have to watch your cheeks hanging out again, I will call CPS.
Do it.
So I will.
Yeah, go for it right now. She's over 18. She is 19 years old.
Her butt cheeks.
You don't get to touch her. You don't get to touch her.
We're all sitting over there.
You don't get to touch her. Then you look. Come up and talk to her. You do not get to touch her.
Really?
We would love for you to call the police. Go ahead and call the police. Why are you? So why are you?
If not, let's get you caught up. In April 2024, this TikTok went viral, reaching over 14 million views to date and landing this woman in hot water after she allegedly pulled a teenager's skirt down at a restaurant in St. George, Utah. But what you may not have seen is what happened after the viral video, where this so-called Karen faced the consequences of her actions and wasn't exactly happy about it. We join the suspect, identified as 49-year-old Ida Lorenzo, as she arrives at the police station complaining about those exact consequences.
Hello, are you Ida?
Yes.
Hi.
Hi.
Good.
Good to meet you. So, these little girls have continued to incite a mob, and I've been harassed all day. Not only did they took it down from St. George Post and her Facebook, but now she put it on Instagram, and now she put it on TikTok.
Okay.
No, so remember you look at my Instagram account and they've been harassing me all day. So I turn notifications off and everything, but they are trying to reach out to they're inciting someone that reaches out for personal information to people to get their personal information, or someone that is known to like hunt people down.
Okay. Like FBI?
Not FBI, but someone that can, I don't know, what do you
It's just a person that will either reach out to communities or through various ways, they are able to obtain information and they share it.
As like a
to
private
people to
investigator?
achieve.
Yeah, as a private.
Whether the goal is to get somebody fired, to something like that. It's they
continue to tag this guy and reach out to this guy to find it, my personal private information.
Sure.
And all of my stuff is usually private anyway. I don't normally disseminate my stuff out there. But in this particular situation, I told them who I was because not only were there minors involved that were all seated around me, but my son was present as well. And so that's the only reason why I was like, listen, charges can happen. You're hanging out, your private parts are hanging out in private in front of minors. That's not something that you should take lightly, cover up. But it doesn't give them the right to disseminate my information publicly like that and to try to harass me to the extent that I've been having it. I believe I'm 100% in believing in freedom of speech but when you omit, delete, and make it seem like one situation is totally different than the other and then accuse me of sexual harassment without the facts, at some point something needs to be done and needs to be stopped.
Ida, who called police multiple times, was asked to come into the station to present her side of the story when she shares that she's unhappy with the online backlash of the video.
And it's because she's putting me out there as a sexual predator.
Karen,
the hard part is, even if it's edited and made and deleted, obviously you could be looking at slander if it's not completely true, but the fact that you did touch her skirt, she can claim, if she wants, she can claim sexual battery, right? Mm-hmm. She hasn't. There's no legal investigation right now on either of you. Nobody's in trouble right now for any of that stuff, but it would have to be founded, right, on both ends, right? We know that you saw this, but we don't have any video evidence of her hanging out. We don't have any witnesses that have come forward and said this is what's happening other than I only have your account.
Because most of them were men, and I forwarded you a text message of the person that was with me that was a male, and it was I would be arrested in a nanosecond if I was sexually accused of touching someone inappropriately.
Oh yeah,
right?
Not touching. I just mean they saw the witnesses come forward. There's documentation for it, that kind of thing. But
because of the sensitivity of the nature. And everyone thought she was a minor because she did look like a minor, and there was a ton of kids. It was the high school ball.
Did you think she was a minor?
Yes, I did. I actually thought she was, and that's why I was
I just don't understand. I don't understand why you went up and touched her.
I didn't touch her as a person.
You can find it. But you see how that looks, right?
I got a standing ovation from everyone that was seating behind me.
That's totally beside the point legally.
Ida goes on to say she allegedly got a, quote, standing ovation for touching the young woman, but that doesn't exactly add up with other witnesses' stories we'll hear later.
A kid by touching another kid.
It's protecting a kid by covering their private parts.
Correct, but that's not your job to do.
Well, they weren't covering up, and
call us. That's what I was trying to tell you.
I was trying to. You could see me on the video trying to dial the phone.
It would take too long for us to get there, so you did.
No, that's what But I was trying to dial you guys, but because they had everyone storming in, and you could see how they were being.
They thought she was sexually battered. That's
her
claim.
That's her claim. That's her claim.
And all she knows is somebody grabbed her from behind.
No, because I told her that her parts were hanging out. And then when nothing was being done and all the little kids behind me were just staring, that's when I proceeded to cover. And I was trying to dial. You see me on the video where I have my phone in hand and I'm trying to dial, but I couldn't even dial. And then that's when the owner was coming up.
I understand that there's inappropriateness with how she's dressed. I can totally understand that portion. I can understand that things got blown out of proportion, and I can understand your standpoint from it. But I guess, what do you want me to do?
Well, the post needs to come down, and they need to stop.
That's freedom of speech. There's no crime.
Not when
they can say whatever they want.
No, but they're reaching me. All their little friends.
Have you told them to stop talking to you?
No, because
try that.
No, because then that is me instigating them.
The officer repeatedly tells Ida the post constitutes freedom of speech and he can't remove it, but she's not taking no for an answer.
Well, no, because I've obviously contacted. See, the problem is that people, they're under the perception that I, like, for no reason approached her. I just touched her inappropriately, right?
For sure.
And if I was a mom and my daughter came and told me those circumstances, I would be pissed and I would be contacting you, right? But because they haven't done that, they're not willing to, you know, and I haven't, like, addressed it. I haven't approached it. I haven't said anything. I've been pretty silent.
That's the best way to approach it, because everything blows over. The more you incite it, the more it's gonna get views. It's gonna blow up. Then the problem you're gonna run into is if she comes to the department because of this and she decides that she wants to go sexual battery against you, it's going to be her word versus yours, and your word versus hers for the lewdness, and I'm going to end up submitting charges for both of you to an attorney for them to decide, because I wasn't there, I don't have witnesses, I don't have documentation, I have a video of it potentially is edited, I'm not going to use that as evidence, so that's what we could, I mean, each of you could equally be investigated right now.
Ida is told multiple times that she too could be charged in the case, but that's not stopping the 49-year-old.
And you're telling me that she was not wearing any underwear?
As we could see, yeah, exactly. We could see skin and everything, like, honestly.
Are you seeing the opening? Like, are you seeing actual form?
Yes, because we were actually seated and she was standing up and she was at a height.
So you were under her?
Due to the shortness of her skirt, it was like this, and you could see everything open. And that's why I was like, so I stood behind her, and I was like, go like this with my clothing, and I was like, you know, you should probably cover up. And then at that point, she turned and she was like that, and I was like, oh my God. And that's when the dad was like, cover up, you know, and then the mob rush of kids started coming in, and that's at that point where I was like, oh my God, like, you need to cover up. And that's when I pulled her skirt down to cover up, because instead of like covering up and backing up and saying, okay, is my skirt down? No, she proceeded to like lift her arms and move with her friends, and it kept going further up and further up, and that's why I was like, oh my God, somebody like cover it up. And as you can see, they were mob rushing at me as I was trying to stand behind her to cover her butt.
And the information they might have is that they think you're sexually assaulting her. They don't know, but that's what they're hearing.
Correct.
Let's pause for a moment and get a look at the outfit in question. The victim later told investigators she was wearing the outfit seen here with underwear and shorts underneath, which doesn't add up with Ida's story. Let's continue.
Yeah, I'm not gonna dig anymore. You know what I mean? But yeah. I have no reason. These are little 18, 19-year-olds that haven't apparently learned that.
What's your biggest concern then? That you're gonna lose your job?
No, my biggest concern is someone's gonna end up at my front door, because they are actually.
But you don't know if your address has been posted or anything.
I haven't looked into it, because the more I look into it, the more I dig in, the more I look guilty, right? And so I haven't been wanting to instigate or do anything, because it is such a delicate matter. They are accusing me of like sexually, right? So the more that I play into it, the more that I dig into it, the more that it makes me look like a culprit of some sort, or that I'm trying to hide, and I haven't wanted to fuel this in any way, shape, or form.
If something happens that is going to be unconstitutional or illegal, somebody does show up at your house, something weird happens, please call us. We will come out there and we can address that immediately. We can figure out why they're there, and if they're there because of the video, then we can start digging into different things, right? If that's the reason. It's like that same thing where people stormed the Capitol, right? Was it encouraged? Was it told that they should? Was it just interpreted that way? Who's on the hook for it? Way different political scheme, but something that's a little bit more interconnected.
No, but it's kind of the same situation, right? Because she's trying to incite, she's disseminating misinformation in the same manner. So if you look at the legal principle of what they're doing, the actions are the same.
But then it'll boil down to, did she actually say, this is what you should do?
Well, that's right.
Right. If she's not telling people to go to the address and say, this is where she lives, I mean,
then it's the people took their own action.
Correct.
But
it's a free speech month.
After comparing her situation to January 6th, Ida continues pressing the issue before the officer reminds her once again she's not exactly innocent in the ordeal.
Well, we did talk to the owner of the restaurant because I do know her. She knows us. And she was like, the problem is, she was like, I couldn't even kick her out because I couldn't see what you saw.
Right.
By the time that the whole group had come in, she had, at that point, not only had I pulled down her skirt, but she had actually, she was so embarrassed, she actually left everyone still standing there talking about it, associating it, and trying to get in my face. And I was like, stop her, I'm gonna call the police. And as soon as I said that, of course, the group moves down, and then they continue, and then that's when all the posting and everything. So I mean, they were, and the owner of the restaurant isn't gonna deny that actually happened, and she pretty much said, if you guys don't stop, I'm gonna ask all of you to leave. And at some point she did say that, and then that's when they decided to leave. But
when it's all said and done, next time we're on the same page. Sure, videos can be used as protection. That's what the whole purpose of why people video certain things.
Oh my God, but see,
with the sensitive nature, you couldn't tell whether or not she was a minor. You don't want to video it.
That's my point.
At that point, then call them.
Call us. Totally.
Well, I was trying to dial the police, but the more that I grabbed my phone to try to dial, the more they came at me.
But they wouldn't have if you didn't touch your skirt. You know what I mean?
Well,
taking the action that you took is what caused this. That's what caused it to grow.
Let's take a look at another angle of the viral video.
Yeah, go for it right now. Over 18.
He is 19 years old.
Her, but
you don't get to touch her. You don't get to touch
we're
her.
all sitting over there.
Yeah, I do.
You do not get to touch her.
Really?
We would love for you to call the police. Go ahead and call the police.
Why are you
It's not appropriate.
I understand, but
you're not allowed to touch someone's skirt.
Come over and say anything to anyone. At all. She's of age. You have no right to. It's a public place. You have no right to come out of your way and do this at all.
And if you don't do it, don't dress like that.
Just leave her alone.
Don't dress
Just
like
leave her
that.
alone.
it
You
has
have no
more to
right
do
to
than
go out
we're
and
at
do
a
that.
public restaurant.
100%.
We're all looking dressed up. I don't know.
It has nothing to do
Yeah.
with looking cute.
No, exactly.
It
So
has
you have no right
nothing
to
to
say
do
anything.
with the industry
You guys
of
go
the
for it.
woman.
Who are you here with? That's America. That's the country we're in.
You should go sit down.
Yeah, you really should go before you do.
I live in the state of Utah. I just know her private property.
I'm so sorry. That's okay.
In this slightly longer version, we can see Ida being pulled away from the crowd as witnesses and bystanders stand up for the teen, a stark difference from the, quote, standing ovation she mentioned earlier. Next, multiple witnesses arrive at the police station when we hear the other side of this story.
She came up, reached her hands, her cold hands went up my skirt, and I felt her hands up my skirt, and then I felt like a tug. And like my skirt doesn't go down much farther, like it's not that short of a skirt. And so I felt this tug, and I like whip around thinking it's one of my friends or something. And I'm just kind of standing there in shock, so I'm like, here's this woman I don't know who just came up and touched my bare butt. Like, I have no clue who this is. And like, not even the physical side of things, but mentally, like I'm struggling so much with. And for her to come up and do that and make me feel even more insecure in my own body is outrageous to me. So she came up, did that, and then she touches me, or she does that, and then she says, you're underage, you should probably hide that. If you think I'm underage, why are you touching a minor at all? Especially if you think I don't have underwear on.
Yeah, the logic wasn't there.
No.
For me. That's why I was wondering when you mentioned that you thought she might be drinking, I thought there's a judgment issue maybe going on too.
Right. And then she came back up a second time after we came up. Our other friend, fun fact, same name, she was standing right next to her, and the second time she came up, she touched both their hips and squeezed them, like pinched us, and said she was going to call Child Protective Services if she saw them. The rest was on video.
I saw the video, and I think 57,000 other people saw it too.
Yeah.
When the first time, so she never said anything, you turned around, when the first touch, was that just skirt or was that your body?
No, that was my body and my skirt. So it was like, I had skirts on like that, but she had gone up my shorts. Like, she was up there.
The next day, Ida returns to the police station, but this time, she's not getting away so easily.
Okay, so I told you I'd do a full investigation if they came forward, right? So they came forward with their side of the story. I only had yours. After listening to everything, totality about everything going on, I've talked to Sakura. I got some of their video. I've got the TikToks. I think most everybody in the city has that TikTok. And then we've got your statement, her statement. So I try to make it as unbiased and fair as I can, right? I do have some concerns from what I've been told by them. Obviously, some things you've also told to me, right? Even when we talk two wrongs don't make a right, when we were talking about that, I said, there's criminal behavior that's happened, regardless. And the other aspect was, if she was exposed and there was a lewdness aspect, would I investigate it? Absolutely. And that was the other claim, right? Those are two little things. The electronic communication harassment we've addressed. Everything that's come in now is going to be from who knows where. They even mentioned, like, I don't even live in the country, some of these text messages that you're getting. If anything comes in further, you're probably going to have to report that to Santa Clara where you live for the electronic side, because that's going to be now an internet-related crime that's not related.
Well, it's happening while I'm at work, like during business hours while I'm at work, which is why
in the city?
Yeah.
Where are you working? So I had my concerns from the get-go. And I'm going to just be straight up with you because this is kind of where we're at. I have some questions and some statements, but I'm going to advise you to your rights because of the severity of what the claims were. Okay?
Right, and of course, you're going to get their perspective because they were not behind her. They didn't see her, right? And so...
And you're also sitting down looking up, right?
Well, I, as an adult, right? But the little 10-year-old that was next to me is actually even lower than I am, but her skirt was hiked up, and no one, I think, that was sitting behind her will deny that it was beyond just her little crease. She was like exposing her whole, like, I'm telling you, could see everything. I would not have pulled down her skirt to cover her.
Gotcha.
Like, you know.
So let's get through it really as fast as we can, and then we'll be done. So,
Ida has read her Miranda rights before the officer gets into more serious questioning. Let's see how that goes.
From the get-go, I know this was a situation where if you do see something inappropriate, and it is inappropriate, call us. Correct, right?
Right.
And if there's a 10-year-old boy that you need to protect, and his dad sitting next to him, you're not his mother. And even if you more reason for us to call us, and let's work together.
Right.
We'll open up a case if that's the case, right? You mentioned that you saw this girl's whole. You told me you saw.
Well, we can
creases, all of the above.
Yeah.
The girl has sent me a video of her twirling in that skirt. Photos of the skirt. She was wearing underwear and shorts underneath her underwear.
She was
also.
She does not have. She was not wearing. I don't know when that video was taken or.
Same outfit.
Right, of course, but I mean, was it at the time when everything was exposed? Probably not.
You're telling me
she wasn't
twirling
in.
You're telling me you saw her skin.
You could see, yes, you could actually see like the whole.
So in your video, all the videos and all of your statements in those videos, and to her and through messages, salt and ass cheeks. I shouldn't have to see your ass. So why you say that instead of I shouldn't have to see your vagina? That's a very much different thing to say.
Do you want me to put out there into the whole world that I saw her vagina?
I don't want you to touch her first off.
Well,
so then you approach her, right? And she reports that she felt your cold hands on her buttocks.
Which is...
And also, the sexual battery code is overclothing or underclothing. Those are areas, that's like me touching your bra and saying I didn't throw you.
Okay, I did not touch her skin, and...
But do you understand the claims?
I understand the claims, but...
I understand it's very inappropriate to approach her in the first place. We already addressed that a million times.
Right.
I was also concerned when you said, why didn't you call the cops? You said, because they were taking too long?
No, that was my communication.
But why not say to the dad, hey, how about we move this 10-year-old away from this if that's the case? I mean, starters, right? Before you approach somebody and touch them.
Well, no. Intent is everything, and I wasn't intending to sexually harass her.
Intent is nothing for the victim. Intent is everything for you. But that's not how if I walked up behind you and I thought your skirt was short and I tugged on it, you would be like, why are you touching me? For any reason ever. Everybody has at least an expectation of privacy, and if it's inappropriate, that's why we have a job. Call us.
Right. But
Please, like,
at
we will
that
address
point, there was, as I'm sure you saw in the video, they were all starting to gather and mob in. So at that point, I did. Well, that was.
They wouldn't have done that if you didn't approach her. Do you know what I mean?
Ida continues spouting off her excuses when the officer decides it's time to be direct with the 49-year-old.
You took action on this. There was no incident. You created it. You put it into action. The consequences of your actions have been all of this. This has nothing to do with it.
Well, because she's saying that I did I sexually harassed her, I sexually assaulted her. I did not sexually assault her. I attempted to cover up what I thought she did. Right.
I didn't think that it was appropriate to touch anyone.
No, I didn't.
You should know the highest. And when you're saying, I work for the state, I'm this and that, I'll do this, you're airing out that you can be held to a little higher standard like me.
Okay, but nobody has video of us just sitting down before the incident. But
I have the video. So.
Of me sitting, like before the incident ever? Before the incident.
So she also said that you approached her and pulled it down before talking to her. You said you talked to her first.
Right, I was trying to talk to her, yes.
After you pulled her skirt.
Well, I covered her
Do you
up.
understand how a reasonable person would be like, I was just touched? No conversation before that. And then I didn't ask her questions.
High school.
I didn't ask her. That's worse.
The rest of all
That's
the
what I think.
residents.
It's worse. That makes it worse for me. I don't like that. The other part is, I didn't completely unprovoked. She calls me and she's like, I had to report something that's been happening. And she gives me the details of what happened. And I'm like, wow, that makes sense now that I have both sides. That's very concerning. Now, typically with something like this where I don't have video, if I didn't have video footage, it'd probably be going a different route with this because there's video footage, because of the claims made, and I have to protect victims. Today, you're going to be placed under arrest for sexual battery. Okay? So that's the unfortunate side of all this.
You're arresting me?
Yeah, right now you are under arrest, okay? So just face my sergeant and put your hands behind your back.
Don't reach in your purse, please.
No, I was just trying to put that.
The officer has heard enough and places Ida under arrest.
Just follow those instructions.
And just relax your hands, sir.
Do you have any vehicle here?
Yeah, I do.
Is something
No,
We can keep it
you
protected.
call, come get your car?
I'm sorry, what?
Is there somebody we can call for you to have them come pick up your vehicle?
Yeah.
Okay. Who is it you want to call?
Probably my 17-year-old at home. So,
Control.
Just double lock them so they don't cinch your button.
2121, please.
That way they won't cinch on. I know it's unfortunate, Ida, but what should I do?
well, I
These are
mean,
the facts of the
honestly,
case.
I was honestly thinking she was a minor, and she should probably keep it covered because of the kids that were.
But also, a minor to minor is a lot different than an adult to a minor. It'd be worse if she was an adult, no?
Well, no, I was looking at it from a mother's perspective. Like,
I'm going to document this for you still correctly as your statement.
Lights on.
My lights. Light.
Okay.
What do you have any type of pocket? I don't.
yeah, I do.
I'll just search those instead of going
I don't
to
have
pull
anything.
everything. You don't have anything concealed on you that's illegal? No drugs, guns, bombs, that kind of stuff? Wearing a bra?
Yeah.
Nothing in your bra?
No.
Okay, they go through a body scanner, so just tell everybody that. I'm not concerned with you shooting me in the back of the head. Are you going to do that?
No, I don't.
Okay.
No, I honestly
These are just
like.
standard questions we have to ask everybody.
Oh, okay.
Otherwise, I'd do a full search on you, but I understand
Yeah.
the circumstances here, so you can just walk this way. Don't want you to fall, though.
If you want to hang out for here,
Yeah.
I'll take that stuff over to car so she can verify that it's locked in her car.
This is so unfortunate because honestly,
Let's come over to my rear passenger. These ones work so I don't have to reach over. You just slide in with backwards is the easiest.
oh, I actually can get in.
Okay, watch your hands. What's that?
Ida was taken to jail and booked for Class A sexual battery that court records show was later lowered to a Class B misdemeanor after the 49-year-old accepted a plea deal. As part of the agreement, Ida entered a plea in abeyance, meaning no sentence will be imposed for a year as long as she complies with the terms, including having no contact with the victim, committing no crimes, and undergoing a mental health evaluation. The 49-year-old also reportedly lost her job at the Utah Attorney General's office after the incident.
Vanessa, put your shirt on, please.
Look, I'm a businesswoman, so I have a lot of ideas in me. Do you want to know how much I earn a year?
I honestly
You probably feel like Taylor Swift.
So you said you...
Kill me! Kill me! Kill me! Kill me! Kill me! Kill me right now!
It's 1 a.m. in Lake Forest, Illinois, where despite the freezing temperature, one woman is anything but chill.
Hi.
Hey, I'm Vanessa. Are you Hispanic bitch?
I am.
No, I'm sorry. No,
What are you guys doing here?
No, I live right here. Don't do this to me. No, I live right here. I'm not gonna drive anywhere. I'm just trying to get the.
Okay. Just, you gotta... I'm sorry?
No! No, not here.
I saw you guys driving in, so I want to make sure everything's
No, that's
okay.
my house.
Police later identify the woman seen here as 23-year-old Vanessa Castrejon, who her passenger described as, quote, drunk as hell.
So I just want to, again, when you see a car with two people in it at 1 in the morning, you got to make sure everything's okay, you know?
No, we're okay. We just wanted to see you, pull up and, look at the video.
Gotcha. Okay.
So, we just wanted to see you from our perspective and,
Where did you guys come from?
we just wanted to come from our apartment. So, if you didn't want to come from our apartment.
Do you know where you're at?
Of course we did.
You know what town you're in?
Of course. I live here.
What town are you in? Okay.
Don't
Just making
play
sure.
with me.
Just make sure.
Don't play with me.
So you have an ID with you?
Of course, and I'm gonna play with you. Look, I'm a businesswoman, so I have a lot of ideas with me. If you don't mind me just pulling out of ideas with me.
Okay. What do you do?
No, I don't give a about your woman. So I'm a.
I don't know if that's fine with you.
Yeah, that's good.
Another officer arrives to help, while this officer continues fishing for Vanessa's ID.
Can I have a mental attack?
I mean, do you need paramedics to come check you out?
No, because I actually.
So there's nothing to be nervous about. All I'm asking is for your identification. I want to identify who I'm talking to right now.
Yes, because that's. Can I say something?
Mm-hmm.
What's so crazy?
Were you guys out drinking earlier?
No, we were out here just being. Oh my God! You know what's so crazy?
I'm listening.
The fact that I live here and I've asked him, hey, can we just be okay? And I'm so cold. I'm so cold.
So am I. I'm out here.
I know you are, but I'm so cold. I'm just I don't know what I'm doing.
All right, Vanessa, listen to me. I need to get some sort of identification. If you have a picture of it or you have it with you, can I please see it? I think I've asked you.
You have, but I'm so cold. Okay, sorry. I'm so cold.
Vanessa eventually gives up her name and birthday when the officer leaves to check her info. But when he returns, Vanessa has come up with something else to hand the officer. Take a look.
Can you open this?
What's that?
It's my.
No, I don't need that. I was just looking for an ID.
No, I know.
Okay. What do you need your headphones for?
It's cold.
How
Do
much
you
have
want me to?
how much have you had to drink tonight, Vanessa?
No, nothing. Do you want me to open? Do you
Are
want
you
me to
sure?
open it up?
How much have you had to drink tonight?
Nothing.
I can clearly smell it.
No, you can't. This is. I went to my home. I went to my home so you can.
You weren't that from where I was at. You weren't home.
No, I was
You
home.
came.
Vanessa tries to talk her way out of the situation, but this officer isn't having it.
Again, like I said, I saw you driving. That's not where you're coming from.
You guys are driving, right?
No, we live right here.
Because he saw you guys driving.
No, well, he's obviously. Can you get an evaluation?
Evaluation of what? I'm sorry.
Are you drinking?
I can do anything that anybody needs. I don't. Again, I'm not the one in question.
Okay.
I'm going to ask you to step out of the car, okay?
Step out of the car.
No, you're going to stay in here, Vanessa. We're still talking. So again, I'm going to ask you one more time. How much have you had to drink tonight? I can clearly smell it. I can see your eyes are bloodshot and glassy. I asked you for identification. You never were able to produce it. You gave me the registration. You pulled out what looked like a business card.
I was driving. Pennsylvania. She was driving. Neither of you are admitting to whose it is. So now I'm asking you that.
I love that for you. Thank you. I'm not going to be. This is so crazy because this has never happened to me, and I feel like just because I'm a Latina, it's happening to me.
First thing I notice is the car. I don't notice the people who are driving. It's dark out. It's 1 in the morning. It's 1 in the morning. I'm Hispanic as well. You noticed it right away as I walked up.
I've lived here for 2.5 years, and I've parked in that parking spot at least 20 times, and I've felt, I don't care if you don't like, if you don't like, do you like Taylor's?
So you said
The officer tries again to explain the situation to Vanessa, but as you might have guessed by now, it doesn't go over well.
So again, you gotta understand. I see a car, 2 people. At 1 in the morning, I gotta make sure everything's
That's
okay.
fine.
I walk up here. He clearly says, "You're drunk as hell." Those were his words.
Those were his words?
Not mine. Hold on. Vanessa.
No. I'm so sorry. Those were his words.
I could see it in your eyes.
No, I just want to go
Listen.
to work.
Okay. How much have you had to drink tonight?
Can we work this out?
That's what I'm trying to do. Excuse me?
No, I'm just. You look hot. Like I know. Are you Tori's dad? No. Okay. I'm sorry. This is really firing at me.
Just stay in the car, right, Vanessa?
Officers talk about what to do with Vanessa when they decide to ask her to do field sobriety tests. Let's see how that goes.
Okay, so let's go to the train station where it's nice and warm.
Yeah,
I'll take you in my squad car.
cool. It's like, do you have kids?
Are we gonna go? Yes or no, Vanessa?
Do you?
I don't want to keep you out here longer than you should
I
be.
would never.
All right. So, the faster we get to do this, the faster you can get home. So you're gonna go with me, yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, so let's go.
Wait, what's that?
Just lights.
She's obviously under the influence. She's got white stuff all over her top. Yeah.
I hope you kill me.
do not hope that at all.
No, I hope you kill me.
Okay.
I hope you
It's-
kill me.
She's not gonna go. So ultimately, it's whatever you want to end up doing with it.
Because this is my home.
No one's disputing this is your home or not,
And
Vanessa.
you would never do this to a white woman. And if you want to do this, you can do this.
Like I told you earlier, I see the car. That's all I saw. It's 1 in the morning at night. I can't see in the car. It's dark.
White in the morning. Oh, white Audi.
1 in the morning. Doesn't matter what kind of car
Do
it
you
is. It
want to
could
know
be-
how much I earn a year?
I honestly
You
don't care.
probably don't give a shit.
Because it doesn't affect me, Vanessa. If you earn a lot of money, more than me, good for you. I'm happy for you.
But I
The
want
better
you
you
to give a
progress,
I want you to give up. Because I see you around the streets. I see you. I do.
yeah, because my job is to
And
patrol
I'm
the
glad that
streets
you
of Lake
protect the
Forest.
streets of-
Yeah.
Police are nearly at the end of their rope, but give Vanessa one more chance to take those field sobriety tests.
Do the exercises
You
and go
just
with me.
want me to go home with you so bad, don't you?
I'm just doing an investigation. That's it.
An investigation?
Yeah.
Figure it out. Don't play with me. An
Everything's being
investigation?
audio and video recorded. It's all recorded.
¿Qué
Everything's on.
quieres de mí?
I already told you.
¿Qué quieres de mí? My hands are literally crippling. And I want to go home.
Okay.
My
So-
house is down the street.
Okay, just answer me this question, and that's it. And this will determine what happens next. Do you want to do the exercises, yes or no? It's just a yes or no question.
I have an attorney and you will not pull me out of this car.
I'm not saying I'm pulling you out the car. I'm just asking you a question. I need a yes or no question. Is it it's a yes or no question? You want to do the exercises?
No,
You don't want to do the exercises?
don't pull me out of this car because I have an attorney.
I have no reason to pull you out the car.
Thank you so much.
I have no reason to pull you out the car. I'm asking you a simple yes or no question.
Officers have heard enough and decide to place Vanessa under arrest.
All right, Vanessa. So, I've been trying to work with you. You said, it
Yeah.
doesn't look like you
No,
want to
you
do the
haven't.
exercise, right? If you haven't had alcohol, what
Mhm.
have you had tonight? Have you had any illegal drugs? Anything like that? Okay. So what I am going to need you to do is I'm going to need you to step out the car, okay? I get that. So I'm going to need you to step out the car.
Yo, or
I don't need a warrant at this point. I'm
At
going to need
this
you to step
point?
out the car.
you need. I'm so cold.
Okay. I'm going to need you to step out the car, Vanessa.
I live
At this point, it's not a question.
No,
it's an
Mommy.
order. It's a legal order. I need you to step out the car, please.
I wish I would knew the laws that you step right into.
Yeah, you gotta exit the vehicle. I'm sorry.
Or what, you're gonna kill me?
No.
I'd rather.
So I need you to step out the car, Vanessa. It's no longer I'm asking you to, as far as like yes or no. It's I'm ordering you to step out the car.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's an order. Exactly why once you step out.
Once I step out.
Yep. You step out the car, please. I need you to step out the car. I get that. Your friend's feeding him right now. You gave him your house keys. He's taking care of that.
We're going 95, right?
Yeah.
You can just tell her right now.
Okay.
Yeah, tell me.
All right. So I am going to place you on arrest for being under the influence. So you're clearly driving. I saw you driving. So you are under arrest. So I need you to step out the car, and then I'm going to take you into custody, okay? That's it. I'm being honest.
Wow, you
There's clear signs of impairment. I can see it in your eyes and all that. So I just need you to get out, okay? We can discuss this more at the station where it's nice and warm. You're not out here in the cold. Please step out of the car.
Can I ask something?
I need you to step out the car.
No.
At this point, we're done talking.
Vanessa, if you don't get out of the car, we're gonna have to remove you from the car, and I'd really like to not do that. Okay.
Vanessa finally agrees to exit her car and is walked to a patrol car.
No. I'm gonna piss myself right there.
Before you, please don't do that.
What do I do?
There's nothing in there. If I find anything in there afterwards, it's going to belong to you, okay?
Where's the...
Put your foot.
Okay.
Put this foot right there.
Oh.
No.
Yeah.
No. Under.
Under?
No. Take it out.
No, I miss.
The floor. Put it on the floor.
Dude, you
right there.
suck.
She took the seatbelt off again.
So yeah, we'll put the seatbelt back on. We'll tell her to stop kicking, but then she keeps kicking. Then if she keeps,
Kill
I
me.
need you to sit back.
Kill me.
And this is
Kill
the second
me.
time you take off your
Kill me.
seatbelt.
Kill me.
I'm going to put the seatbelt
Kill
back
me.
on. I need you to stop taking off the
I'd rather
seatbelt
you kill me
or
right
kick
now.
anything.
I'd rather
Okay?
you kill me right now.
I need you to
Kill
sit
me.
right, and I'm going to reach for the seatbelt, okay?
Kill me right now.
Vanessa,
Kill me.
we're going to go back
I'd
to the
rather
station.
you shoot me because I'm gonna fight you. Shoot me right now! Shoot me! Shoot me right now because you're gonna f***ing kill me regardless! Shoot me right now! Shoot me! Kill me! Kill me right now! Kill me right now! Kill me! Kill me!
okay, so she's refusing to put her seatbelt on, so we're just gonna have to take her back like that.
Vanessa is whisked away to the police station, where she's still not cooling down.
Vanessa, I need you to step out. We're going to go put him there, okay?
Do you think that's a month?
What's that?
Do you think that's a month?
No te entendí nada.
Piece of
Alright, so that was, you did not need to spit at me?
I did.
I need you to face that.
Ugh, force me. Take me to jail. Take me to jail. Take me right now. Take me to jail. Take me to jail.
Stop.
Take me to jail right now. She spit. She spit. She spit.
So that's going to be an extra charge.
I know.
Okay?
Take it.
2, because you did kick
Take
me
it.
too.
Thank you. Oh, I kicked you?
on
Oh.
camera.
Take me! I just want you to take me so bad, and you just want to be
Kicked
dope.
me in the squad car, just spit at me in my face.
I just
right
want him to take
now.
me.
Say again? She just spit at my face right now and kicked me in the squad car.
Can you kick me?
So just so you know.
I just want to.
Don't spit.
I'm gonna piss myself. Right now.
The suspect allegedly spit and kicked at the officer, earning her extra charges. But she's not stopping there when she decides she's not dressed for the occasion.
Have a seat. Have a seat.
Can I pee?
Have a seat and I'll let you use the bathroom in a little bit.
Or do you want me to pee myself?
Don't do that. Have a seat.
I already did. Can I pee? Okay.
Give me a second. Leave your shirt on, Vanessa. I'm gonna let you use the bathroom back there. I'm not closing it. I'm giving you privacy. Go to the bathroom and come back out.
Give me
Go to the bathroom and come
Kill
back
me
out.
before you close this bitch.
I need you to go use the bathroom. You say you want to use the bathroom, right?
I'd rather piss myself right now.
Use the bathroom. I'm only doing this to give you privacy. Vanessa, please use the bathroom.
Thank you, sir. No, I'd rather have absolutely everything that I own.
Use the bathroom.
Use the bathroom, you're gonna best girls, you're gonna be cuffed to the wall.
Oh, me. Cuff me to the I'll piss myself right now.
I don't care if you piss yourself.
Cuff me to the wall.
Hand out.
And you're gonna clean this you, baby.
Next, the nice officers give Vanessa another chance to use the restroom when she enters her mummy era.
Put your shirt on, go use the bathroom, and then come back out, okay? Can we do that? So the only reason I was closing this, Vanessa, is to give you privacy. That's it. I wasn't going to close it all the way, just to give you another layer of privacy. That's all.
Okay.
I want to give you the respect that you deserve, and that
I
give you that privacy.
deserve we can't go down.
Vanessa, put your shirt on, please. Vanessa, if you don't do that, I'm going to put you back on handcuffs on the bench, okay? I don't want to do that. I want you to use the bathroom and take care of
It's
that.
so hard. Oh my god, I want to die. I'd rather you kill me right now. What the kill me. I want to right now. Oh my,
Is that even how it goes?
Oh wow. I right now. I kill you. Come on.
Vanessa, put your shirt back on.
Can you pull it?
I'm just going to put her in a cell. And just...
Actually, well though, this is crazy. It's like, do you condemn Hamas? Are you Jewish?
Nope.
Good.
It's not long until officers are ready to read Vanessa her Miranda rights.
You want me to die right now or not?
Have a seat.
I don't understand. Lock me up or don't lock me up.
Behind the back.
Lock her up or don't lock her up. Like, lock me up or
Just
don't
stand up, turn
lock me up. Yeah. Oh yeah. It's hot. Yeah.
There you go.
Oh, thank you, baby.
No more spitting.
Oh, no more spitting. Are you sure?
Yep.
Thank you.
You do. You just be spitting on yourself, so it's your prerogative.
I love it. Thank you.
Double locked.
Does that make you wet? Does that make you wet?
Will this affect your? Yeah, it would. I don't want you to get spit on, so
No, okay.
this one's a little spitter.
Randomizer
or?
Not yet.
Does that make you wet? Does that make you wet?
Does it make me wet?
Yeah. No?
Oh.
Good.
Vanessa,
You passed the test.
Vanessa.
Babe. What?
Before we ask you any questions, it is my duty to advise you of your rights.
Mm-hmm.
You have the right to remain silent.
Thank you.
Anything
Vanessa agrees to speak with investigators, but the 23-year-old remains on brand and continues to berate officers.
Oh.
Are you willing to do some tests with Officer Yeager?
No, I'm willing to die right now.
If you are willing to do the test, I can remove the mask and remove the handcuffs as long as you're going to be cooperative.
Oh no, I'm ready to die. Are you ready to kill me?
Vanessa, are you willing to do the test?
No, I'm ready to die. I literally want to die in your hands, you piece of you bloody hands. Kill me. Oh my god, he's getting triggered. Yeah. Oh, don't listen to her. Kill me right now.
Alright.
Kill me right now. Oh, kill me right now. Kill me right now.
I'll just do the...
Oh, kill me right now. He's getting triggered. Do it right now.
I can charge
Do
it.
it.
We'll charge everything else.
Do it.
Just mark this.
Right now.
No one's gonna kill you.
Do
I don't
it.
want to waste this time. Huh?
She refused that.
Vanessa, is there an apartment number for your... Is there an apartment number?
Don't play with me.
Sit down.
Yeah, listen. apartment number.
What's the apartment number?
Do you want to respect me like you respect me?
What's the apartment number?
Yeah?
Have a seat. Have a seat.
Put me in
Have
the
a,
wall.
Have a
Put me
seat.
on the wall.
have a seat.
Thank you. Oh my gosh. Kill me! 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 Kill me right now! Kill me right now! You pieces of I don't want to be here. You.
Good? I thought you guys were in the hospital.
Oh, hospital?
If you don't sit around, you get to the hospital. You're not going to like what they do to you there.
Oh, yeah?
Handcuff her to the wall.
Yeah?
Settle down.
Yeah. Does your like doing what they do over there?
Oh, you want to go to the hospital?
Oh, you want me to? Oh, okay. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Yeah?
Come on, sit down. Sit down.
Yeah?
Sit
Yeah?
Vanessa is handcuffed to the bench area a second time after refusing to sit still. But it's not long until she pulls a classic Houdini move.
I condemn Jewish people. I wish you could kill me because I support Hamas. Kill me. I support Hamas! I'm not gonna run away from you. Can you tell me how stupid you are? But can I get some water though?
Sit down.
Can you tell me how stupid you are?
Sit down.
Can you tell me how stupid you are? Or you won't. Ay, capre.
Vanessa is cuffed to the bench area a third time after escaping her handcuff before medics arrive to take her to the hospital.
So they're going to bring the cot right here.
Okay.
And then we're
Just
going
right out the
to,
door.
and then we're going to assist her onto the cot.
Okay.
Do you want cuffs behind or in front?
Behind, please, before I kill this piece of shit. Thank you.
You can stand up.
Vanessa was booked for DUI, aggravated battery on a peace officer, resisting arrest, and possession of a controlled substance. Court records show she later pleaded guilty to the drug possession charge, while all other charges were dismissed. At last check, the 23-year-old was admitted into a drug treatment program.
Knew I was. Yeah.
Is it out there? Central 301. Can you open door 5, please?